Hey, it's Mr. Yi here, and we are in the 6th grade action, and we're going to be going over a little bit about um, deposits by rivers. So before in class, we talked about how erosion by rivers shapes the land and creates different landforms, and now we're going to talk about how do deposits by rivers shape the land. Okay. How do deposits? Well, it shapes land by creating landforms. Okay, the question. And the landforms created by deposition, right? Okay, are they're going to be a couple. They're going to be alluvial fans and deltas. Okay, it can also add soil to the river's floodplains as well. But for now, we're going to say deposition, deposition. Whoa, by streams can create. Well, I don't know what that was. Can create, and it can create alluvial fans. It also can create flood. Sorry, deltas. Actually, the San Francisco Bay is a reverse delta, kind of weird. Whoa, streams can create, can make. Okay, says something different, Lauren. Okay, all right. Alluvial fan. So, what is an alluvial fan? Well, an alluvial fan is made by when a stream flows down a mountain valley and then it suddenly becomes wider and shallower and the water slows down. So it's kind of like, how do I make it? So like here's some mountains, right? I'll go blue for you here. Here's some blue. This is my little stream coming down, right? But let's say then all of a sudden it gets wider. Like we're talking like, so see this is kind of narrow right here? Then all of a sudden the mountains kind of go like that, right? See that? Whoop. Here's some, well, it's not the same color, but here are mountains still on the sides. Then all of a sudden, when it gets wider, sediments are deposited, okay? Um, and it looks like a fan, okay? The sediment, which I will put in this green color for you guys, sure. The sediment tends to look, all the sediment fans out. Here's all my sediment, fans out like this. This is all the sediment, and it begins to gather, okay? Some of the water still goes by, but sediment, remember, are all being deposited on the sides. Okay? Okay, so the other type of landform created by deposition are deltas. So just to let you know, this is an example of an alluvial fan. Alluvial fan, just to let you know, just so I don't get that confused with the map over there. Whoa. The other one is a delta, and that's when a stream is deposited into the ocean. So, man, let's see. So, time's running short. Got a little blue guy. So we got some. So this is kind of like, here's a stream, and then the stream goes into the ocean, and then it opens up like this into the ocean. Okay? That is a delta. And so the river actually ends its journey. When it finally ends, it goes right into the ocean. The sediment deposited where it flows is what the delta is. An example, it can be a lot of different shapes. Like our Bay Area is like a reverse delta. Another actually example of a delta is in the Nile. There's a really big a Nile delta. And interestingly enough, the Nile River actually flows from, instead of from north to south, it flows from south to north, depositing into the Mediterranean. Also, the Mississippi River is another delta, and there's many other examples. Okay, so for now, these are the two landforms created by deposition. We'll go over soil on the floodplains later. So, oh geez, maybe I can write delta in time. Delta. Oh, I'm on the wrong side of the pen. It's an A. Okay, delta. All right, guys. See you later. Bye.